How's everything? Good.
Terrible.
How are you, Miss Freckle? That sounds forced. Are you sure you're good?
I am.
I have to go to this class called calculus.
You get to come. Highlight of your day. Alright, so if I want to graph this, f of x is the same as what variable?
Why?
Okay, does anyone remember what we did from here?
Put it.
You plug in, right?
Oh, e to the y equals x.
Easier to write it in exponential form. Natural log is log base e. So that means e to the y power equals x. We talked about when you graph exponents yesterday, you put in -1, 0, and 1 for the exponent. This time my exponent is y.
Oh.
So, e to the -1. What does the negative power do?
1 over e.
What is e to the 0? And e to the first? E. Okay, now we have to somehow graph these. What is 1 over e approximately? If you have a calculator, you can.
Where's the e button?
About the natural log.
Oh, 1 over e is 6.
Oh, we could just do e as instead of 1.
It doesn't let you do.
You could if you wanted to.
I need to get it to. Right. Oh, it's posted. That one.
You can do either one.
Oh, that one has an x.
So 1 over e is about 0.37. So 0.37 -1. 1, 0. Your allergies.
Every day when I come in here,
Is there something in here?
I don't know. Like, I'm okay, like, all day. Like, I have
Maybe it's
really bad,
because I open my windows.
I have really bad allergies at home, and then I come here and I'm okay, and then I come back in here.
It's probably because I open my windows in the morning.
Maybe, I don't know.
I think it's Miss Tucker.
Probably.
Yeah, she's spreading her pollen.
I didn't like that.
Alright, and e is 2.7 approximately, so we put that there. So remember the exponential had a horizontal asymptote at 0. A log has a vertical asymptote at 0, so it's approaching the y-axis.
Isn't this just a, like a square root?
Except it keeps
Has a
going
graph.
down. Like square root graphs start at a point.
Wait, exponentials have a horizontal.
Mm-hmm. Exponentials have a horizontal, logs have a vertical. So if we try this one. Log base 3. So that means y equals log base 3 of x. So in exponential form, 3 to the y equals x. So if you make your t-chart, -1, 0, and 1 are my y's. 3 to the -1 is 1/3. 3 to the 0 is 1. 3 to the first is 3. So you could graph that. 1/3, 1, 0, 3.
So this one has a horizontal.
Still has a vertical asymptote at 0.
What is the one that?
Exponentials. So if the original problem is like e to the, or 5 to the x, or something like that. And of course we could still do transformations with these. I didn't ask for it, but if I asked you to graph log base 3 of x minus 2, what would the -2 do to our graph? Right 2. So if you're going to move this right 2, it would move your asymptote with it. And then you would just shift your parent function.
Logs have vertical.
So I could have very easily put a transformation question on here.
I don't know why vertical asymptotes gets me all confused. Like it's gonna be sideways all of a sudden. Like it's gonna be horizontal for some reason.
Seems like it's gonna flip on you.
There's something in this math that we do that does that. Has me confused like that.
When we do inverses.
Yes, the flipping
And
over.
logs and exponentials are inverse. versus.
Well, the flipping over of stuff, and like flip over X, but then I try and flip over X, but it's the wrong somehow.
Okay, so have I gave you this handout. Have I given you this study guide?
No, so you're gonna do that.
Okay. So you have time to work on the handout. That is the homework due tomorrow. But if you get it done, then you need to be working on your study guide after that.